Meaning of electricity.
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 Electricity. Electricity is a form of energy resulting from the flow of charged particles, such as electrons or ions. It can be artificially created by generators or obtained from natural sources such as lightning. When harnessed, it is used to power machines and devices, providing light, heat, and motion. Electricity is essential in modern life, powering homes, offices, factories, and transportation systems. However, it can also be dangerous if not handled properly, causing electric shock, fires, and explosions.